Good morning students. Today we will solve exercise 4.3 of your chapter number 4 simple equation. The first question is solve three following equation. So in this question you have to find the value of variable. Alright, the first A part is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So in the first equation the variable is y. So you have to find the value of this variable y. First you have to separate the variable and the constants. So you have to write 2y is equal to 37 by 2 and take this 5 by 2 on right hand side. So it becomes minus 5 by 2 because the sign becomes changed when you take it on right side. Now you have to see here the denominator is same, therefore the LCM is 2. Now 37 minus 5. 37 minus 5 how much? 32. 32 over 2. Now 2 how can you say 32? It is 16. And 2 is the coefficient of y here. When you take it on right side, it becomes divided by 16. So 16 by 2. And 2 plus 16, 8. Therefore value of y is here 8. So this is your first A part. The second B part is 5t plus 20 is equal to 10. So in this equation, the variable is t. So again separate the variables and the constants. So take this 28 on right hand side, it becomes minus 28 and 10 minus 28. Now plus minus minus, 28 minus 10, it is 18. Which is greater, 10 or 28? 28 is greater than 10. So the sign is negative. Now next the 5 is coefficient of t here. When you take it on right side, it becomes divided by 18. Now 18 doesn't come in the table of 5. So you remain leave this answer here. The value of t is here minus 18 over 5. The last next C part is a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Again, you can separate the variable and constant. So take this 3 on right hand side, sign becomes changed, it is negative. Now a over 5 is equal to 2 minus 3, how much? It is minus 1 because 3 is greater than 2. So the sign is here negative. Now take this 5 on right hand side. This A5 is divided on left hand side. When you take it on right hand side, it is multiplied with the minus 1. So minus 1 into 5, it is how much? Minus 5. So this is your A, B and C part. Next CD part, q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. So in this equation, q is the variable. So we can write q by 4 is equal to 5 plus 7, take it on right side, it is become minus 7. Now q by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7, how much? It is minus 2 because plus minus minus and 7 minus 5 is 2. Which sign comes? Minus because 7 is greater than 5. Now next this 4 is divided on left hand side. When you take it on right hand side, it is multiplied with minus 2. So it is minus 2 multiplied with 4. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. So this is the value of q. Next E part, 5 by 2 x is equal to 10. So 5 by 2 is multiplied with x. So check here. When you take this 5 on right hand side, it is divided with 10. And when you take this 2 on right hand side, it is multiplied with 10. Alright, देखो चेक करो कि ਜਿਹੜਾ 5 और x ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਹੈ ਔਨ ਲੈਫਟ ਹੈਂਡ ਸਾਈਡ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੈਂਡ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ 5 ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਹੋਊਗਾ और 2 हैगा डिवाइड on left hand side. When you take on right hand side, it is multiply with the 2 multiply with 10. Clear? Now 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 2 into 2, 4. So the value of x is here 4. Next F part, 5 by 2 x is equal to 25 by 4. Same step as E part. So 25 by 4 as this, 5 is divided on right hand side and 2 is multiplied on right hand side. Now solve this equation. 5 on the 5, 5 5 is the 25. 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4. 5 on the 5 and 2 on the 2. So value of x is 5 over 2. So this is your D, E and F part. Next G part, 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. So you can separate the variable and the constant. So take this 19 by 2 on right hand side, sign is negative, minus 19 by 2. Now the next step is you can take LCM. of this 1 and 2, and same is what 2. So 1 can is a 2, 2 is a 2 into 13, 26. 2 can is a 2, 1 is a 1 into 19, 90. Or 7 and equal to 26 minus 19, so it is 7 over 2. Now you can take this 7 on right hand side, it is divided with 7, because on left hand side 7 is the coefficient of m. So it is 7 over 2 into 7. Now 7 cancel. So what is the value of m? M is 1 over 2. Because in the numerator there is only 1. Because 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Numerator is 1 and the denominator is what? 2 ones are 2. So the value of m is here 1 over 2. Next h part, 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. So you can take this 10 on the right hand side. Here z is the variable. Z is the variable. So minus 2 minus 10. Minus 2 minus 10, it is minus 12. Now you can divide 6 with 12. So it is 6 into 12, 2 the 12. The value of z is here minus 2. Now next I part, 3n over 2 is equal to 2 over 3. So again here there is the variable. So 2 is multiplied on right hand side and 3 is divided on right hand side. ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो 3.2 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के मल्टीप्लाई ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਾਈਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡਿਨੋਮੀਨੇਟਰ 2 ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਿਊਮਰੇਟਰ 3 ਹੈ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਡਿਵਾਈਡਡ ਔਨ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੈਂਡ ਸਾਈਡ. So n is 2 to the 4 and 3 is the 1, which is 9. The value of n is here 4 over 9. The last j part is 2b over 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So that this is b. B is the variable. 2b over 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. You can take minus 5 on right hand side. The sign is positive. It is plus 5. Or 2b over 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. Now again the same step. B is equal to 8 multiply 3 divided by 2. Alright, now 2 and 8. 2 1 are 2, 2 4s are 8. Therefore 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12. The value of B is here 12. So this is your first question of exercise 4.3. Next see question number second. Solve the following equation. So the second question is same as question number 1. So the first a part is 2 multiply x plus 4 is equal to 12. So in this equation the variable is x. So first you can open the brackets, then separate the variables and the constants. So first 2 multiply with x, 2x plus 2 into 4, 8 is equal to 12. Now you can separate the constants and variables. Or 2x is equal to 12. Take plus 8 on right hand side, it is minus 8. And 2x is equal to 12 minus 8, it is 4. Now choose the coefficient of x, so it is divided with 4. Now 2 can is a 4, 2 is a 4. The value of x is here 2. Second b part, so first open the brackets, 3 multiply with n, 3n minus 3 5 is 15 is equal to 21. Or 3n is equal to 21 plus 15. ठीक है, तो उसे minus 15 और राइट साइड पे लेके जाओगे वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा plus 15. Now 21 plus 15, 36. 3n is equal to 36. Now 3 is divided with 36. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 into the 6, 2 the 6. The value of n is here 12. Next c part, open the bracket 3 to n, 3n minus 3 5 15 is equal to minus 21. Or 3n is equal to minus 21, minus 15 sign positive plus 15. 3n is equal to minus plus minus 21 minus 15, 6. The sign is equal negative sign because 21 is greater than 15. Now 3 is the coefficient of x, it is divided with minus 6. So 3 to the 6, 2 the 6. The value of n is here minus 2. So this is your A, B and C part of question number second. Next see D part of question number second. 3 minus 2 multiply 2 minus 5 is equal to 7. So first we can solve the left hand side. 2 into 2, 4 minus minus plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 7. Or 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 2y is equal to 7. Now you can take this minus 1 on right hand side, it is plus 7, plus 1. Now 7 plus 1, 8. And 2y is equal to 8. Or this 2 is divided with 8. So 8 by 2 is how much? 4. The value of y is 4 here. Next E part. So first open the brackets, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus minus, plus 4 into x is equal to 9. Now take this negative minus 8 on right hand side. It is plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17. And this 4 is divided with 17. X is 17 over 4 because 17 is not the multiple of 4. Next step part, 4 into 2, 8 minus 4 into x, 4x is equal to 9. Or minus 4x is equal to 9. Take plus 8 on right hand side, this minus 8. This is 9 minus 8. How much? 1. Now minus 4 is the quotient of x, therefore value of x is what? Minus 1 over 4. Next G part, 4 plus 5 into p, 5p, plus minus minus 5 ones are 5 is equal to 34. Or 5p, 4 minus 5 minus 1. When you take this minus 1 right hand side, it is what? Plus 1. And 5p is equal to 34 plus 1, 35. Now 5 is the coefficient of p, therefore it is divided with 25 and it take on right hand side. Now 5 is 35, 7. Therefore value of p is here 7. Last h part, 34 minus 5 into p, 5p minus plus 5 ones 5 is equal to 4. Or 34 plus 5, 39 minus 5p is equal to 4. Now take this 39 on right hand side. It is 4 minus 39. Alright. Now 4 minus 39, how much? 4 minus 39 is plus minus minus. 39 minus 4, 35. And which sign comes? Minus sign because 39 is greater. Alright. Now this minus minus cancel. When there is a negative sign on both hand sides, so you can cancel the negative sign. Next, e is equal to 35 over 5 and 5 take 35, 7. So therefore value of e is what? Value of e is here 7. So this is your question number 2 of exercise 4.3. Next, this is your question number 3 of exercise 4.3. So the third question is again same, solve the following equation. So there are total 6 parts, A to F. I am solving this equation. So you can check your answer. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. So this is your question number 3. Now this is the last question number 4 of your exercise 4.3. The question is construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. Construct. So ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ 3 equations ਬਣਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ x start 2 ਤੋਂ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਮਤਲਬ x ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ 2 ਹੋਊਗੀ x ਵੇਰੀਏਬਲ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ 2. So you can use any of the operations either multiplication, subtraction, division, whatever. ठीक है ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ operations use करके equations 3 construct करोगे. Okay. So the first step is x is equal to 2. And constructing the first equation. So first step you can multiply both sides with any of the real number. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ real number ਨਾਲ multiply ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ both sides. So I will take 5. Multiply both sides with the 5. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਨੇ side 5 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ multiply ਕਰਨਾ. So 5 into x 5x. 2 5s are 10. So 5x is equal to 10. So this is your first equation. Second equation, you can dividing both sides by 7. So see both sides 7 are divided. So this is your second equation. So in this way you can construct so many equations. Okay. Third equation, multiplying both sides by the 8. Both sides 8 na multiply karo 8x is equal to 2 multiply 8. So it is 8x 2x so 16. Now you can add both sides with 4. So see both sides 4 na add karo. 8x plus 4 is equal to 16 plus 4. So it is 8x plus 4. 16 plus 4 how much? 20. So this is your third equation. ठीक है ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਚਾਹੇ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਦਾ ਕਰੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਦਾ ਕਰੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਪਲੱਸ ਕਰੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰੋ कोई भी ऑपरेशंस यूज करके तुसी इक्वेशंस को कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हो. So this is your first A part. Now the B part of this question number 4 is your homework. So try yourself in this क्वेश्चन में कंसीडर 3 इक्वेशन स्टार्टिंग विद x = -2। ठीक है, तो सीधे x की वैल्यू -2 लेके इक्वेशंस को कंस्ट्रक्ट करोगे। ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर एक्सरसाइज 4.3। थैंक यू।